Good morning, students. How are you? Okay, you are fine. You are welcomed to the online teaching program. Today, we will study the English grammar of class 10th. What is the grammar book name? The grammar book name is Learn and Practice Grammar. What do you mean by learn? Who can say? Learn is a verb which means to get knowledge. Then who can say what is the meaning of practice? Yes, practice is a verb which means to do again and again. Another word is practice. Who can say? Yes, practice. P-R-A-C-T-I-C. Practice. P-R-A-C-T-I-C. Practice, which means habitual action or repeated exercise. Now we will study the third chapter. We will study the third chapter. Book name, topic name, subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. Subject, what do you mean by subject and verb and agreement? First of all, you open your chapter 3 of your English grammar book and keep your notes and pen with you, and you can like, share and subscribe to the channel if you want. Where you will feel difficult, I will say in Odia also. Now you say what is subject and verb. Already you are known subject and verb in the previous class. Subject, verb and agreement. What do you mean by agreement? Agreement is a noun. Its verb form is agree. Agreement माने चुक्तिनामा. चुक्तिनामा कौन? चुक्तिनामा माने agreeing of two states, two countries, two persons or two villages. ଦୁଇ ଗାଁ, ଦୁଇ ଦେଶ, ଦୁଇ ରାଜ୍ୟ, ଦୁଇ ଦେଶ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇପାରୁଛି ଯଦି କିଛି ସମସ୍ୟା ଥାଏ। ତେବେ ଆମର ଏଠି କ'ଣ ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହେବ ନା ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ସହିତ ଭର୍ବର ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି। ସେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ସହିତ ଭର୍ବର ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ବିଷୟରେ ଆମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଜାଣିବା। ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଅଲ୍ ୟୁ ଲୁକ୍ ୟୋର୍ ଟେବୁଲ୍। Subject, verb and agreement. Subject verb agreement means use of correct verb as per the person or number of the subject. First of all, we should know what is person, how many kinds of person. Person is, already you know that first person we and I, second person you, and third person he, she, Rama, Gopala, Hari and others, and they and others. And number माने वचन, first person, first singular number and plural number. Singular number माने एक वचन, plural number माने बहुवचन. तेणु subject will agree according to number and persons. Subject will agree according to subject, verb will agree according to subject in number and person. कर्ता का माने का क्रिया का अनुसार राजी हे ना सब्जेक्ट नंबर को नंबर अच्छी को पर्सन अच्छी से अनुसार क्रिया राजी हे से कही सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट. You look attentively and thoroughly up to end. First of all, you see the table, subject, verb and parts of the predicate other than the verb. I am, we, you, they, the students are, he, she, it, Gopal, Rani, the teacher is. Third person singular number s लागिबो by s by singular verb is लागिछि. The teacher and the students are, the cow eats. Third person singular number is s लगाइछि and cows, goats and sheep eat लागिछि. If we change the sentence into the past tense, the verb will be was, the verb will be was, the verb will be was and the verb will be was and where in spite of am are, am is are present form बदले past tense was किंबा where व्यवहार करा जिवो. Now let us know some rules about the subject, about the agreement of a verb. That is first rule. First rule, what he says? Now verbs used after an introductory, they have to agree with the noun, the real subject coming after them. There is or was a book on the desk. आम जाने जे इंट्रोडक्टरी सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश ग्रामर दुईटी अच्छी गोटे है इट आउट देयर. देयर इज वाज ए बुक ऑन द डेस्क. रियल सब्जेक्ट है बुक. इंट्रोडक्टरी मीन्स प्रिलिमिनारी सब्जेक्ट प्राथमिक. इंट्रोडक्टरी मीन्स प्रिलिमिनारी. प्राथमिक सब्जेक्ट है देयर. देयर अनुसार क्रियाटी व्यवहार हुए. Creative by verb agree with the real subject book. And the second line, there are or were 4 books. 4 books to the real subject, so there are or were. Then you come to the second rule B. When it is used in the normal subject position, you make statement about time, distance, or whether the verb is always singular. जदि एठारे it is or it was 10 past 12, 10 है 10 past 12, it gives a statement. ये गोटे statement को बुझाउछ. And it was 2 miles to the beach. It was 2 miles माने गोटे स्टेटमेंट बुझाउछि माने डिस्टेंस को एटा समय को बुझाउछि. आ गोटे हला वेदर. इट वाज रेनिंग हेवीली. तेणु तार एग्नेस्ट रे हमर लागला कोन इट आसला द फर्स्ट बाय इंट्रोडक्टरी सब्जेक्ट. सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द सिंगल स्टेटमेंट. सो द वर्ब इज ऑलवेज सिंगुलर वर्ब. इज और वाज एठी सब लगे. ये तार प्लुराल फॉर्म हम ना. देन कम टू दिस. व्हेन ए प्लुराल नंबर When a plural number applies to distance, time, weight, height, weight, height, amount or money, or represent a single figure or quantity, it is treated as singular and it takes a singular verb. For example, 50 kilometers is not a long distance. 60 years is a long time. 60 years is a long time. 2 kilos of tea cost 600 rupees. 5 rupees is not a big one. ପରିମାଣ ହଉ, ଦୂରତା ହଉ, ଓଜନ ହଉ, ସମୟ ହଉ, ଏ ସମସ୍ତକୁ ଏକକ ରୂପେ ଯଦି ନିଆଯାଏ ତେବେ ସେଠାରେ ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ରୂପେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରାଯିବ ଏବଂ ସିଙ୍ଗୁଲାର ଭର୍ବ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯିବ. It takes a singular verb. Then come to third. If two nouns joined by and are regarded as a single object, or notion, the verb is singular. Bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. Bread and butter माने कौन रुटी और लहुणी मोर प्रिय सकाळ खाद्य. ये सिंगल यूनिट की बुझाउछि. Truth and honesty is the best policy. Truth होला सत्य, honesty होला साधुता. तेणु सत्य और साधुता सर्वश्रेष्ठ नीति अटे. Third is curry and rice was his favorite food. Curry होला तरकारी, भात तार प्रिय खाद्य थिला. ये सब एक यूनिट को बुझेथारु the verb will take singular verb. And in B, in other cases, two singular or plural subjects joined by and make the total subject plural and which takes a plural verb. Gopal and his sister have come. Gopal and his sister are two persons, so it takes a plural verb. Two boys and three girls have written their essays. Two boys दुईटी माने बालक एवं दुईटी बालिका कौन लगेगा have written their essays. सेठे सिंगुलर वर्ब हलानी प्लुरल वर्ब हला. Number 4. A collective noun in the singular may take the verb in the singular if the speaker thinks of the thing as a singular whole. If individual members of the collective noun are considered the collective noun, I can take the plural verb. Mark the following sentence. The members of jury were divided into their opinions. It is jury, the members of the all the members of the jury. Jury, what do you mean jury? Jury माने विचार ପାଇଁ बछा होइथिबा व्यक्ति वृंद को jury कहला. से माने डिवाइड हे गेले तांकर ओपिनियन सब डिवाइड into their opinion. But second line, the jury is one body has selected its chairman. It gives a one meaning, so there is a verb has and upar hela were. It's like this: the committee, class, government. This सब से भला. The committee was unable. The committee was unanimously on this issue. Single unit was like the committee were divided on this issue. It is singular form H. तेणु ये वयर लगेगा. And for B देखो, some nouns like police, people, poultry, cattle usually take a plural verb. ये सब बोले प्लुराल फॉर्म नहीं था कौड़ाक ना पुलिस पुलिस have not made any arrest एठी पुलिस एठी प्लुराल फॉर्म होइछि people of India are concerned about their spiritual welfare people of India एठी आर प्लुराल फॉर्म होइछि the poultry माने होइछि जोठी कुकुडा बतक चाष करा जाए बा कुकुडा बतक इत्यादि को the poultry have been fed feed have been fed तो एठी have लाइछि प्लुराल फॉर्म like this cattle are grazing in the field cattle गाई गोरु फल आर एठी आर प्लुराल फॉर्म होइछि तो एठी प्लुराल फॉर्म हला and number 5 the nouns clothing food furniture stationery cutlery crockery jewelry and scenery usually take singular verb सबुड़े एगुड़िक सिंगुलर फॉर्म नहीं था कौड़ा गुड़ाक ना क्लथिंग पोशाक पत्र फर्निचर माने आसबाबपत्र स्टेशनरी मनोहरी द्रव्य स्टेशनरी कटलरी माने खाइबा और खाद्य परिवेषण कर लेख पे खाइबा और खाद्य परिवेषण करने निमंते व्यवहृत कंटा चामच छुरा इत्यादि but knives forks and spoons for use in eating and serving food that is cutlery crockery घरे व्यवहार होउथिबा चिन्ना माटी बासन कुसन कहती by the plates dishes and other household by China and jewelry माने अलंकार सब jewelry and scenery माने प्राकृतिक दृश्य usually take a singular verbs for example his clothing is very attractive is like food is necessary for living the furniture needs to be repaired yes like furniture third person singular number stationery is sold in this shop is like in this way the first part of subject and verb agreement finished now we will practice the activity 1 let us discuss about activity 1 कला हम activity 1 विषय डिस्कस कर परिबा तबे activity 1 कोन कहूची they choose the correct verbs given in brackets and rewrite the sentences choose माने बाछ the correct verbs ठीक क्रिया गुडी बाछ given in brackets बंधन मध्य देछि and rewrite पुणी थे लिख rewrite the sentence rewrite replay redo rewrite the sentence आउ थरे ताकू लिख first question there is are plenty of job opportunities for the people of this region माने अंचल opportunities there is like one like who can say there are plenty of job opportunities real subject is job opportunities plenty of job opportunities is a real subject and there is the anticipatory subject real subject is there was or were plenty of room for improvement in her work who can say there was is the right answer there was plenty of room because the room is singular real subject is room. And third is 2 plus 2 each are 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 each are 4. 2 plus 2 each 4. That is single unit. Two twos are 4. Like this, number E, 70 kilometers dash a long distance. We can say the answer is each single unit. And F, fish and chips dash not so expensive as chicken curry and rice. Fish and কি କହିପାରିବ, that is single unit. fish and chips each single unit ବୁଝାଉଛି, ଏକ ଅର୍ଥ ବୁଝାଉଛି, it makes a single object, ଗୋଟେ single object ବୁଝାଉଛି, ତେଣୁ that is answer is each. And number next is a crowd dash has or have gathered in the street. A crowd that belongs to singular has gathered in the street. Crowd has. And next H, this assembly was well divided on this issue. Assembly, all the members where is the answer, we are divided in this issue. And next is the police dash chasing the burglar. This is the police, that is answer is are chasing the burglar. And her clothing dash are waterproof. Her clothing always singular form. Clothing is singular form, and her clothing is waterproof. In this way, this part of the subject verb agreement is finished here. I hope you must understand well. If you feel any difficulty, you may comment, and then you can clarify your doubts. Okay, thank you.